So, hey guys, I just made some slime and I posted that video. I'm making another video. This is all stuff. And I'm making another video on squishies. And I just got a package of squishies on the slime. And I already opened them and everything. But, yeah, I'm going to make a video on it.
I just wrote this. I think you could. Yeah.
But they're only $4, so. Yeah, let me just,
hot dog is number 1.
Let me clean it. So, yeah, let me go get my squishy. Hey guys, I got all my squishes.
She's got way too many.
And I'm gonna show, you have 3.
Yeah, but it's not like
No, never get those boxes of mystery squishies.
kawaii.
Yeah, because those are not sterilizing. And she got the cat and the feet are coming off. So don't get those.
They make crap.
So I got a package when I came home from my grandma's, and it was a squishy package. And it came in this, which came in this, and I can't show you.
Whoa. Sorry, come on. Okay.
Be quiet, please.
Come on, my fingers. Okay.
So, and they come in these little bags, and I'm gonna show you them. So first, it came with stickers.
Japanese stickers.
They're really cute. There's like a star.
It's a cat guy. I don't know his name.
Yeah, there's a cat and a baseball and stuff. So yeah, that is that. And there's a little trumpet or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, trumpet. And yeah, so the squishies aren't that bad.
That one's dense.
This one's a little dense. See? But there was a really cute face on it.
Oh.
But it came off and so yeah, it's like a little bunny cake, and it comes with keychains. You can take them off and put them back on, but they're still squishy. And then I got this one, and I love this one.
It's like a rip-off of a panda bun.
Yeah, it's like a rip-off of a panda bun, but it's still
She did
really
get a
good.
panda bun from Green.
Shut up. So yeah, I love the sticky squishies. It's pretty sterilizing. But I thought they were jumbos. They're the mystery ones. The 10 ones. You don't know which ones you're getting. But this was the first one I actually saw. And it is a little ice cream and an ice cream cone. This one isn't dense and the cone isn't sticky, but the top is sticky, and I love the sticky ones. So yeah, and then the next one, it's a foot.
Yeah, it's interesting. It's very dense.
Well, it's not that dense, but it's kind of dense. So yeah.
Like my foot. I like playing this.
Quiet.
Why are we doing an ASMR?
Kinda. And I got a donut. I mean, it's the most dense out of all of them. I don't really like them with the sprinkles on them because the sprinkles are hard and it doesn't make them that squishy. But the back is more squishy. Yes, and the next one, and I didn't get ripped off. There was 10 of them and 10 keychains. I put all the keychains on. Next up, a panda bun. A green one, which is going to be... It's going to hurl. Yes. Got that panda bun. And it's pretty slow rising. I really like it. And it's super soft and squishy.
My squishies, I haven't got my squishies yet. I'm a little bummed out about.
And I have more squishes coming in the mail, so more of those. So. So yeah, that one. And we have a few more. We have this little cute kawaii cat.